you are losing out hundreds of dollars if you just hold crypto and wait for it to grow. Earlier, I also made the same mistake, but now things have changed. And today in this video, we will see exactly what has changed and what can make you gain hundreds of dollars if you do the simple steps shown in this video. The first half of this video will be less risky and easy to follow as compared to the later part of this video. So if you are a complete beginner, you should give more focus to the first part, and only after understanding the first part, go for the second part, because second part is where the things are going to get a little spicy and you can earn as much as 40% within one single day. Like, it is the APR rate for the whole year that you can earn in one day if you follow some of the steps shown in this video, the later part. Having said that, let me also reveal that I'm not a financial expert. Neither this video was created in order to give any financial advice. You should do your own research before taking any such investment decisions in crypto or any other place whatsoever, but never follow anyone else's advice, just yours. Let's start with something which is quite easy to follow. All you have to do is just some clicks and you can start earning on your crypto that you are holding. So basically what we are going to do is just give our crypto in the staking or lending or liquidity. So each and every aspect that I have said right now will be making you different levels of rates or money. So it all depends on where you are giving out that particular money or your crypto. For example, if you are giving out in liquidity, you have the probability of earning even higher as compared to something like staking your crypto. We will see all of this in this video itself, so don't get scared if you hear a term for the first time. Let's start with this one, and it is the Binance. And on Binance itself, there are many options where you can make some money. And not just Binance, but most of the centralized exchanges out there provide this kind of services right now. So you can find the option of Earn even on your mobile application of Binance as well. Simply click on it, and here you can find different options like Simple Earn or High Yield. The simple one is the easiest one. When we scroll down over here, you can see different cryptos. So instead of holding your crypto in your wallet on Binance, provide your crypto in these staking platforms. You can easily earn 4.73% if you are in Simple Earn, and it is also flexible one. You can move out your crypto quite easily without any hassle, and that's why it is the flexible one, and it provides little less percentage as compared to the fixed staking. So you can go with the dual investments as well, but dual investment is little riskier as compared to the Simple Earn. And here you can see that you can earn 4.73% on your Solana, which was just lying around in your wallet, earning you nothing. You were just waiting for it to grow up in value and give you the returns. But now if you are with the staking, you will be earning Solana on regular basis. So whenever the bull run hits or bull run comes, you would be earning more than this percentage. So all the Solana that you made while we were in the bear market or the sideways market will be giving out you even more returns now. And this is not just for Solana, but other cryptos as well. You can find them and simply subscribe to these staking methods and make some money. And if you hold BNB, then you can go with the staking as well as launch pool, which you can find in the more section, and here you can find the launch pool. Whenever some new token comes up on the Binance for visibility or liquidity, you can provide your BNB there and earn those free tokens. So whenever it gets listed on Binance, you would be able to sell that token up and make some money out of it. So this is the easiest one. Now let's take you to the next level, and things are little riskier as compared to the earlier stage in this one, and it is going to get even riskier by the end of this video. And this is the Kamino Finance, and we are taking the example of Solana. There are various other platforms as well for different other cryptos as well, but in this video let's take the example of Solana, how you can give the Solana to other people and they will be borrowing your Solana, giving you interest on it. Then you can also use that Solana that you gave for the loan as a collateral and take some loans and even on further returns. Like on this particular platform, which is Kamino Finance, the airdrop is going on. So when we deposit our Solana here, we not only earn the APY interest, but we are also earning the airdrop points. These points are just accumulating, and over a period of time, they will accumulate and give you the airdrop. So that's like two different earnings. One is the interest earning, second is the airdrop earning, and the third is you can take a loan from this, and the airdrop earnings will increase even further, and you can utilize that particular loan earnings. But make sure to do it all after understanding the mechanism of these platforms, otherwise you might end up losing your balances or the crypto that you have. Instead of making some money, you will end up losing. So make sure to understand them completely before getting into them. So this is still quite easier to do, as you just require a wallet like a Phantom wallet or any other Solana wallet in order to participate in these lending pools. And for the next one, let's increase the level now. Let's learn how to provide liquidity. And over here you can see that the yield percentage is 999%. Like it is more than 4-figure percentage, which is quite rare, almost impossible to find in the traditional ways of financial ecosystem, which is banks will never give you 1000%. No matter what, they will never give you this. And you can see that you can earn as much as 21.48% within just 24 hours. But let me tell you, it is quite risky. It looks quite fancy, but it is not. If you are trying to get into it with a low capital, then let me tell you, it will take around $3 to $4 in the fees just for entering into these liquidity pools. And after that, your liquidity should follow a particular range. Only then you would be getting some money out of it. By the way, all these platforms that I'm discussing right now is just an overview of all the different platforms where you can make some money. We'll be getting a little deeper into these platforms in order to find out different earning opportunities and all different tools that are required in order to measure our risk and also our earnings. But we will do that in our upcoming videos, which will be completely dedicated on any particular ecosystem like Solana, Aerodom, or PancakeSwap, or different ecosystems. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn the notifications on. So here as well you can find some less risky pools like Solana USDC, where Solana is the one that moves around quite a much and the USDC will keep it stable. So this way you would be able to stay in a range for a longer period of time and you would be able to make some money. In these scenarios, we require some more skills and we will be covering them all in our upcoming videos. But for now, let's search it up. Over here, Solana, just click on it. And after that, you can also search for USDC and then select it. And this way, you can find all these different pools here that can give you some kind of percentage. You can easily make 100% over here with this pool, and it is quite reliable one. You can see the fees that it is earning. The TVL is also high and the daily volume is also quite high. So this shows that this pool is legitimate and you can also make some money out of it. And this is just one platform on Solana. There are many others like Meteora is there, Radium is also there. There are different pools that you can participate in within the Solana ecosystem. And currently, as an example, we are only taking the Solana ecosystem as an example. There are different ecosystems as well, like Aerodom is there. Here you can also earn the good amount of APRs. Let me show you how high these APRs are. And here when we click on this option of APR, you can see it goes more than 9,000%, which is insane. Like even if you are able to earn some part of this APR for some days, you would still be able to make out quite a good amount of profit if done properly. And the crypto ecosystem is growing way too fast that almost every crypto out there has some kind of these tactics where you can stake, where you can provide liquidity, whether it is the locked liquidity or the unlocked liquidity. There are some projects where you have to deposit liquidity and you might not be able to unstake after a certain number of days, as they call it the cooling period. Like on Kepler wallet, when we stake and try to unstake our liquidity, it takes at least 21 days before you can take out your money. Whereas there are some platforms where you can stake and move out your capital right when you want to move out without any cooldown periods. So it's all up to you which one suits you better. So just participate in them accordingly and try to find out the ways to make money on the crypto that you are holding. Like you might have never heard of this particular crypto, which is Aqua, and it exists and it gives out around $4,200 per day, and it's up to you and your liquidity how you can make most out of it. A lot of projects out there similar to Aquarius where you can pull out the money on day-to-day basis. So this is how you would have to give out some of your time in order to participate in these ways of earning, and this might become the full-time way of making money for you in future. No one knows that. And if you want to understand how you can make money passively on day-to-day basis using Aquarius, then check out the video on your screen.